Hey everybody, it's me Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. This old shack series, my partner John and I have been fixing up a 1929 extreme fixer-upper that we bought for $20,000 cash. We have been renovating with our savings, with our income, no debt, debt-free, for a little over a year now. A year of our lives we spent on this house as a part of our debt-free journey here. So, y'all, this is it. This is it. This is the video you've been waiting for. This is the video you've been waiting for. Plumbing is done. Plumbing is done. Totally done. And I could not be more thrilled. I think it's wonderful. I think it's beautiful. It feels amazing. The house really, truly now feels so very close to us moving in. To us really moving in. Y'all, I had a little bit of a run around with my plumber, and he took epically long. Months. 2 months. Months longer than he had said it was going to take. And Lord Jesus, it was finished yesterday. I came up, and he's always here doing a little something. So I was like, hello. And he said, I'm finished. I said, no, you're not. Because he jokes sometimes. I was like, no, you are not finished. I didn't believe him. I truly didn't believe him. I wasn't joking. I was like, no, you're not. I thought he was joking. And then he gave me my key to the house. And I was like, I don't think he's joking. I was like, oh my God, really, you're almost finished? I feel like I'm going to cry. And then he took me on a tour and gave me a demo of everything. And now I'm going to do the same thing for you guys. I'm so excited. This is my kitchen. If you've watched this, let me show a before picture of the kitchen. Let me show a before picture of the kitchen. This is the kitchen now. The stove will go over here. All right, so I did these cabinets blue. I already finished the floors. We've done a million things to this kitchen. Y'all, we got hot water, we got cold water, we got water. We're gonna wash our dishes, we're gonna chop our vegetables. It's amazing. Okay, so because of the way our house was laid out, we now have a pump that pumps the water out of the house. Because of the way things fell, it couldn't drain right. So there is an electric pump under here, wired to the house. And then it pumps the water up out of here. And we filled up both the sinks. The plumber filled up both the sinks full with water. And then, let them out so we could get a demo of the pump pumping the water out at maximum strength. Very nice. So excited. The kitchen is a kitchen now, you guys. Kitchen is a kitchen now. Okay, so let's go upstairs. It's my bathroom, y'all. The bathroom. Y'all, the bathroom blows me away. Let me show you a before picture of the bathroom. I've redone the ceiling in this bathroom 2 times. You probably know about that if you've been watching. I'm so excited. All right, so I'm going to do hologram decal for frosted glass, just with the decals, and maybe they'll make little prisms in here and cute stuff like that. So these 2 window panes are going to be frosted out. And then, we'll make sure everything is caulked up nice and good. And then we have the fully circular shower curtain rod. And so I'll do clear shower curtain around this. And then y'all know those little U-shaped things you use to pull curtains back, like drapery? I'm going to put one of those over here so that I can pull the curtain back out of the way because I love to take a bath. And so that I'll just sweep the curtain out of the way and take my little bath down here. But the plumber used just like odds and ends that he had to like put this in and make it work. And it looks so good. Like, I feel like it's got a really artsy feel. Let me show you. So like to attach the shower curtain to the ceiling, like what came with it just like wasn't sturdy enough. You can't just dangle it from the ceiling, you know. Like now it's sturdy because he just used like old pipes. He just used like an old pipe and screwed it into the wall. So it's in the wall and the ceiling. And then over here, we've got like an old thing too, but I just think it looks so cool. And then he used a copper pipe that he had, like left over from something, to secure the shower to the wall. So it's on the ceiling and the wall to make it more sturdy. Look at the shower head. I picked this. And then we got the little handheld. Probably wash Zinnia's hair with this. Wash my own hair with this. And then of course the regular bath thing. Now this is cement board on the back and part of, so this will be fine to get wet for now, the cement board, but I am going to do tile work myself, DIY, in some kind of cute, beautiful way out of salvaged materials, as I do on this little back wall here. So he left me the space for the tiles. That's why the shims are like right there. Y'all know I already finished this bathtub already. It got scuffed up over the plumbing process, but I think it's ready to go. I'll give it a good clean. So this is like a teeny tiny bathroom, but to like make the most of the space, I found the teeniest, tiniest sink. So first thing I found was a sink to fit the time period of the house. Let me show you that. I was gonna refinish this sink. I got this for $25 off Facebook Marketplace. But it was way too big. It's so heavy. It was not gonna work. So I found the teeny tiniest little wall mount sink. It's only half. Look, it's the teeny tiniest thing. Once again, I'm gonna get like little penny towels or little hexagon towels, something cute, and just fill in the little gaps around here. You know, you can put washcloths or something under there. But it really, God, the space is looking really good, really, really good. But yeah, so that will make the most of the space. We got a brand new toilet. That's installed. Y'all ready for the flush? Are you ready? You're not ready. Are you ready? What a beautiful flush. Beautiful. So I already showed y'all the water hose spigot outside. We have washer and dryer hookup. We're in the kids' room now. We have washer and dryer hookup here. I'll probably paint all those pipes to match the wall. And then this is our tankless hot water heater. And it's electric and it's like eco-friendly. So like right now it's at 122. Let me see. Like 124. It goes up to 140. That seems crazy. I feel like 120 should be plenty. What do y'all set y'all's hot water heaters to? If you got the temperature control. Anyway, so happy to have this done. So here we are. We've got plumbing. We've got electricity. So we have to finish up some drywall. John started insulating the attic, and he should finish that up this weekend. I did a little video of John insulating the attic that is available on my Patreon account. If you know Patreon, I'm WayCrunchy over there, and I post extra videos and photos and, you know, just little extra goodies if you like to support what I do here at WayCrunchy. So anyway, John's going to put more insulation in this weekend, and we'll drywall that up. I have lost my electrician. Like, his phone is deactivated. I have no idea how to contact him. I just have literally lost him. Like, he's a missing person. So I'm gonna have to get just like a few little things done. So I got like, I need to get that fixed, that light fixture. And then I've got 3 light fixtures that need to go in. There's a little miswiring in the basement, and there's 2 plugs in me and John's bedroom that don't have power running to them. So I gotta fix those things. I need a professional to fix those things. And that kind of sucks because I had paid my electrician like kind of to do the whole job. And so I was just going to give him like $100 or $200 when he came over to like finish it up, you know. We just had like a running agreement, and he was such a steal, $25 an hour. And just easy to work with. I just got along really well with him, and we came this far on the project, and then the project stalled out. Like, we had cold winter. I had a plumber who took 2 months, and it just like took a while, and I just like lost contact. I just like lost contact with the plumber. Not the plumber. I have contact with the plumber. I lost contact with my electrician. And so now I'm going to have to just like get that squared away. But we're here. We did it. We did it, y'all. Like, to be at this point now just thrills my heart. It thrills my heart to be at this point. Thrills it. All right, so I am in what will be John's basement office. And I am just at sort of a place where I'm going to just go through each room and kind of get it move-in ready, and maybe make a list on some paper of like a to-do list. So first thing I'm going to do is just like tidy up and run the shop back. gloss. The final coat.